Book of Heaven, Volume 11, October 13, 1916. How the angels are around the soul who does the hours of the Passion. These hours are sweet little sips that souls give to Jesus. I was doing the hours of the Passion, and blessed Jesus told me,
"My daughter, in the course of my mortal life, thousands and thousands of angels were the cortege of my humanity, gathering everything I did, my steps, my works, my words, and even my sighs, my pains, the drops of my blood, in sum, everything. They were the angels in charge of my custody and of paying me honor. Obedient to my every wish, they would rise to and descend from heaven to bring to the Father what I was doing. Now these angels have a special office, and as the soul remembers my life, my passion, my blood, my wounds, my prayers, they come around this soul and gather her words, her prayers, her acts of compassion for me, her tears and her offerings. They unite them to mine, and they bring them before my majesty to renew for me the glory of my own life. The delight of the angels is so great that, reverent, they listen to what the soul says and pray together with her. So, with what attention and respect must the soul do these hours, thinking that the angels hang upon her lips to repeat after her what she says."
Then he added,
"After the so many bitternesses that creatures give me, these hours are sweet little sips that souls give me, but for the many bitter sips I receive, the sweet ones are too few. Therefore more diffusion, more diffusion."